In the original Disney animated Aladdin, we see that Jasmine has very little authoritative power. And we see this through certain interactions with Jafar because we see that he has a lot more political power than Jasmine does. But the big change in the versions of the movies is when you look into why Jasmine is against marrying the suitors. In the animated Aladdin, we see that Jasmine dismisses her suitors because she doesn't want to be forced into a relationship. In the live action, Jasmine dismisses them because she sees that they would be a terrible leader. She makes a decision with her head, not her heart, showing that not only is she more politically involved and has more say in who she marries, but also that she's intelligent enough to see that she would make a better leader than some stuffy foreign prince. Along with her increased political involvement, we get to see that just how educated Jasmine is in the remake. In the animated Disney movie, we see no direct mention to how educated she is during the events of the movie. You can only assume, based on her power and her status, that she has some. It is only in the live-action Aladdin that the audience is actually shown just how educated Jasmine is. As Jasmine tries to explain why she would make a better sultan than a foreign prince, she explains that she has been preparing to lead her whole life and that she has studied and read many, many books in preparation. We also see her use this intelligence to question Prince Ali about the whereabouts of Ababa, something that only Jafar thought to ask about in the original.